Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an update video on the curly girl method, and my hair's not playing ball today, which is so typical, but I really wanted to give you a little update of what I've been doing, how I've been getting on. So I started the curly girl method sort of new year, and I decided to have my hair cut at a curly hair salon. So a salon that cuts curl by curl. So if you're in America, that's normally a Diva Curl chain. We don't really have that in the UK, but there's a couple of salons that do it. And I went to Springers in the Curl in Birmingham. And if you look back at that video, you can see sort of my before and after. It was a bit of a chop, but if you can see, go and have a look at that. And then this, it's grown quite well. So my hair was sort of sitting sort of under my chin. So it's grown a couple of inches in just over 8 weeks. So I'm pretty impressed with it. It's definitely growing better. And the curl patterns come in, even though today it looks quite frizzy, but you can see that it's getting a lot more volume and the curls are coming out. I am just getting used to how to define them, and it seems to be different every single day. So today I've just washed my hair. I tend to be washing my hair once a week at the moment, which is working really well for me. Probably day 5 or 6 would be a better day for me to wash it, but it depends on what I'm working, what I'm teaching, things like that. So I kind of do work it around what I'm doing. So at the moment, so today I've been using the Shea Moisture. I love this stuff. It's nice and lightweight. And I've got the deep conditioning mask as well. I think there's hairs on this, so sorry. It's you can see all hairs. I lose so much hair in the shower. I think again it's because I'm only washing my hair once a week, so all my shed comes out properly then. So I've used a deep conditioner as well, but I ran out of that last week. I've been tending to use that more than this because I'm only washing my hair once a week, so I use the deep intensive treatment, and that's been working so well for me. My hair's so shiny and soft, and as I said, the curl pattern's coming out. Just today, I just don't know. I don't know. So this is the Fruit Infused Coconut Water Weightless Shampoo, Hydrate and Nourish Fine Wavy Curly Hair. And I've got the shampoo and conditioner. I've also got this spray that goes with this, but I'm not entirely keen. Sometimes it's good as a refresh spray, but I've not really used it. I had this stuff before going into Curly Girl because I was sulfate free anyway, so I had the whole range. I brought all 4 of, I think there's another bit actually, but I brought 4 of the products anyway. When I pop this on my hair, I put it all over, roots and all. I don't really get greasy roots, so that's okay for me. You might want to avoid it if you do. So I pop this over, and then I tip my hair over, and I turn the shower right down, and I scrunch sort of my hair as the water comes through, and that's supposed to help get more clumps. And as you can see at the front, my hair is quite straight, so I'd say they're sort of more 2B curls. They've always been the same, that they're curly at the top and then they just go straight, and it's always been the same, apart from this one. Well, you can even see there, look, it's always the same, super curly and then straight, and it always goes stringy like this. So if anyone's got any suggestions for me, be greatly appreciated, because I'm not doing this to say I'm a curly girl method expert. I am new to this, but I'm not giving up because I am enjoying it. I love these curls. If I put a lot of gel in my hair, I can pretty much get these all over, but it takes a lot of gel, and if I do it too much, I can't scrunch it out, and it just looks, I have to wash it the next day. It's just too much basically. So after I've sort of scrunched the conditioner out, I've been using the Trepadora Curl Therapy Bapasui. I'm dyslexic, so I can't read kind of normal English words, so I don't even know what that is. So the leave-in curl primer, it put water in that. It smells so good. I don't even know what it smells like, but it smells so good. So I put 2 pumps of this. My hair is flipped over when I do this, and I kind of smooth it like this over the curls, and I don't do anything else. I then get the Acai Berry Defining Gel from Trepadora as well. Again, this smells great. It's quite a liquidy formula, and I do the same that I coat it. I'm actually going to put a little bit more of this in now, because my hair, so this is how it looks, is not plain ball. It's got a little bit frizzy today. So this is the praying hand method, and then scrunch, it in. Then I've been using my turban, and I use it backwards, so you normally put this side over your head and then put it on like that. I've been putting my hair into this bit, so it's cupping it off, and I leave it dry for about 10 minutes in there, and then I take it down. Then I either let it dry, or most of the time, because it's cold at the moment, I've been diffuse drying it. I mix between a high and a low heat. Today I used it on a higher heat, which might be why I've got my frizz. So I'm leaning over to the side, make sure it gets some root lift over here, and then flipping my hair forward. I don't have much hair at the back, so it tends to fall into the other bits anyway. Then scrunching out, and this is the sort of thing I'm getting. I tried the clip in the roots, but I found sometimes it left my hair quite denty, and I didn't particularly like it. I think my hair holds a lot of water, so sometimes it kind of dry like that, the big kink, and then it just didn't really work for me. Sometimes I do it, but I get quite a bit of volume anyway. I find if I just put my fingers into my roots, I can get the volume anyway. Day one's always the worst, but I do sleep with my hair in a pineapple, so day two, even though my curls do drop out, the volume is amazing because I've slept with it sort of up here. So I pop all my hair onto my head, and then I just twist up the back bits because they're not quite long enough to get in. But I say, even though it's a bit frizzy today, I feel like the pattern is improving. I think I'm between a 2B and 3A curl. 3A tends to be here and at the back, and then sort of 2C's around here, and then 2B is around here. I don't know if that's from years of tying my hair back that this bit's getting sort of like stretched. I'm not really sure. But that is what I've been doing. As I said, if you look back at my video 2 months ago, I do think there's an improvement. I'm aiming to go 12 months without having it cut. So my hair is growing faster, but I am pregnant, so that could be why. So it's going to be interesting to see how my hair changes after I have the baby, if it gets thicker or thinner or stops growing. A lot of people lose a lot of hair, or if it stays the same, it might not change at all. But that's a little update. I have been getting the curly box, which I'll put the link in the description. I've had 2 of those. But the thing is, I'm washing my hair less, so I'm actually not getting through products. I mean, I've had these for, I don't even know how long. Probably going on a year, but I really don't need to wash my hair more than every 5 to 7 days. So why would you? If it gets to the kind of wash day, my hair does go more of a like straight wave, which again, I don't mind. It's quite nice that I kind of finger comb it out, so it's a looser wave. The front section still tends to be like this, so I sort of twist and pin this back and do some hairstyles that way. But I'm trying not to stretch my hair or plait it too much because I really want to encourage the curl. I am growing, as I said, I want it to about here. That's where it was before I started having it cut last year to kind of encourage this. So we'll see. So any tips or anything, or anyone with the same hair type as me, that'd be great, because I haven't actually found many more. They call it swavy girls? I don't know. I sometimes get ringlets, but I think it depends on the products and what I do. I do need to play around with it a little bit more, but I thought I'd do a little bit of an update because a couple of you had asked me about it. So thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.